Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the best Amazon FBA PPC campaign that you can create right after watching this video for beginners in 2021. If that sounds like something you're interested in watching, be sure to stick around to the end. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. But without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so we are here. We're happy, we're good, we're rolling. Let's go ahead and assume this is your product. What I want you to do is I want you to open Helium 10's X-ray extension. If you don't have Helium 10, you will not be able to go along with this video. This video will be essentially useless to you. So stick around if you don't to see if you want to get it to do this strategy. If you already have it, great. If you want to get it after watching this, there will be a link down below that you can get 10% off for it. So in this video, we're going to be going over sounded French a little bit. Not to anyone that speaks French, probably. We're going to be going over a couple of different strategies within Cerebro to crafting your PPC campaign. It starts with X-ray, however. That's this tool we have pulled up right here. So all I want you to do is I want you to grab your most relative competitors. So black round tray. That one's definitely black, but it's mostly got some gold going on the side. Let's go ahead and grab this one. We'll grab this one. Again, I like to grab the ones that have higher sales, obviously. We'll grab that one for sure. So we have 3 now. My goal is always to get about 5. Grab that one. And then if you could find one with lower reviews that's doing well, fantastic. If not, it's okay. That one looks good. We'll do this one. Yep, that one. That's a food tray specifically. We're looking for more of the decorative kinds. That one looks good. Let's see, how's this one doing? That's not black. So as you can see, there's a little bit of trial and error here. Just looking for black trays that are selling well. In that case, let's just go ahead and grab. Yeah, we'll grab that one. Perfect. So now that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, we only have 4. We need 5. This one is the same as this one, by the way. I'm not bad at math. Okay, it's a little bit newer. So we'll just grab the one up top. Perfect. And we'll do run in Cerebro. You can just select that right there after selecting. Perfect. Looks like I did grab 6. Okay, I am bad at math after all. Thought those were supposed to be all different. That's okay. Hey, the more the better in this situation. I don't know if that's a good phrase. More the merrier. So down below, once this does load, we're going to get a list of keywords. 11,000 to be specific. Way too many. Don't put 11,000 keywords in your PPC campaigns, please. Then all we need is just one filter. That's all we need. So this stands for ASIN, this stands for rank. So we're basically telling Cerebro, hey, show me a minimum of 3 ASINs that are ranking in the top 1 to 10 positions organically. Apply. We'll see what happens. There's only 4 search terms. So we have black round tray, round black tray, round leather serving tray, and round gold serving tray. So we'll loosen it up again. I don't know why I just said again so many times. I meant to say we're going to loosen it up. Again, there's a couple different ways that you can use this to be effective here. So we'll sort by search volume. Perfect. And now, as you can see, we changed the 10 to 15. So this is 3 of these products out of the 6 are ranking in the top 15 positions. Here we can see circle tray for coffee table, black round tray, leather bar tray, tray tables, black. It's a weird phrase. I don't know who would type that. Black gold tray, round gold serving tray, black table tray. So we're getting actually some of the longer tail keywords that we would want to rank for this keyword, or for this product, excuse me. One other method you can do is you could keep that, but we could change 3 to 2. So now only 2 of them have to be ranking in the top positions. Now we actually have 73 search terms. In this case, we have bar tray, round decorative tray, round tray for table centerpiece, round serving tray, etc. So now all we have to do is we're going to select the top 10 most popular ones out of here. And then we'll come back and we could cherry pick the ones that we think are good in here. But a great place to start is grab the top 10, top 15 keywords in here. I'm going to go ahead and export this as a CSV. So we'll do that, export it as CSV. Now it's going to pop up down here. So we could actually open that and easily copy these. I don't want to copy all of them. I just want to copy the ones that we selected here. So in the meantime, this is opening. Here we go. All we have to do is just grab right here, 2 through 16, that's 15. Copy. Then we're going to head over to Amazon Seller Central. We're going to plug these right into a campaign. All right, so once you're in your Seller Central account and you're in advertising, you're going to go to create a campaign. You're going to go to sponsored products. We are then going to name this campaign Black Round Tray, and we'll do manual. Today we're just going to be focusing on the manual campaign. There are other campaigns you could set up, but this is just the quickest, easiest one for a beginner to do. Do $20 manual, down only bids. Name this group name broad. We'll go ahead and we'll just add one of these products. That's fine, whatever. You would be adding the product that you're making it for. Enter list. Make sure you only check broad. Take that list that we copied, put it right in there, hit add keywords. Just hit that, it's fine. It's interesting, none of those had suggested bids. It's because they're probably, some of those were a little bit bigger keywords, so I'm not sure why they didn't have suggested bids. That's okay, we're gonna hit launch campaign. We're gonna actually do edit campaign, ad groups, create an ad group. Don't worry, the other one's gonna be there, it just hasn't loaded yet. And then in this ad group, we're gonna do phrase. Go ahead and add the black round tray again. It's not a round tray, but just for the sake of this video, that's what we're thinking of it as. And add those terms again, do add keywords, create ad group. That is it, guys. You're gonna let that run for a week and then you're gonna optimize. I do have videos about how to optimize here on the channel, but I did just wanna give a refresher for everyone who's just starting out on Amazon about how to create a nice, quick campaign that's easy. Make sure that you did that first part correctly. Make sure all those words are in there are relevant, relevant, not irrelevant. And other than that, you wanna just grab those top 10 phrases that your competitors are ranking for and start slowly ranking for those phrases. It's pretty much as simple as that. You know, there's a lot more we could do with advertising, and I could really show you some far out stuff, but that's a pretty good sum of what advertising looks like on Amazon. It's picking keywords strategically and going and trying to get ranked for them. Once we have a little bit more data, we can go through, we can create some exact ad groups. I know people are gonna have questions about that, but for now, that'll work just fine to collect as much data as possible. If you enjoyed that video, be sure to leave a thumbs up down below, and if you didn't, a dislike. But other than that, guys, I'll be seeing you here on the channel next time for another one. Thanks so much. Later.